to turn on or turn off a sound effect when quick navigation is disabled while voiceover is on. In iPhone 14 Pro, open settings, tap settings to open, and then scroll down the screen, find accessibility. Next, tap accessibility, and then tap voiceover, select audio, and then tap sounds and haptics. Scroll down sound and haptics screen, find quick nav, disabled, and then tap quick nav disabled. On sound, tap switch until green to turn on, or tap switch until gray to turn off a sound effect when quick navigation is disabled while voiceover is on. Okay, tap switch until green to turn on, or tap switch until gray to turn off. You can tap preview to preview. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.